From June 1st, 2021 onwards, Google Photos is going to have a huge change. Till now, we could have stored unlimited photos and videos into Google Photos in a high quality definition. But going forward, after June 1st, any photos or videos you save to Google Photos will be considered under your standard storage quota, which is 15 GB. Let's briefly talk about this change. And welcome back to our channel. Till now, we could have saved photos and videos in original quality in Google Photos and also a high quality, which is a standard set by Google Photos. In case of photos, that is 16 megapixel, and for videos, that is full HD. Anything you save in original quality, that is the quality which you take the photo, would be counted against your 15 GB storage even now. But this other feature called high quality, you can upload photos which you have taken of any size. Say 64 megapixel is your camera size and you have photos in 64 megapixel. Upload them to Google Photos and Gphotos is going to convert it for you to 16 megapixel and they'll store it. In this quality, you can save without having that to count towards your storage. If you are having 64 megapixel photos, then 16 megapixel is, obviously less. But that's a pretty good quality even for printing your pictures. In most cases, that's all you need. Also for videos, Full HD is pretty much the standard nowadays, and you don't really have 4K that much going around. So most of your videos would be in Full HD and that would just go in fine. If you have a higher quality video, then you would have to suffer a little bit loss in the quality. That means Photos is going to reduce it to Full HD, which is 1080p. Anyway, since some time, Google has been showing us whenever you open Google Photos, there is a banner going on saying that this feature is going on from June 1st. So the thing to do right now is go back up everything you have. What all should you back up? First of all, anything which you have taken in your mobile phones, in your digital cameras, then your old pictures, paper pictures, the printed ones. Google has an app called PhotoScan to scan those paper photos especially. It doesn't offer a scanner kind of quality, but it's manageable. Also, if your files stored in your Google Drive, so anything you store in your Google Drive will be counted against your storage, this 15 GB. If you import those, it is a simple process to import your Google Drive photos. If you have a folder of photos in your Google Drive, import them right into your Google Photos, and anything you think is necessary for the future. I usually back up my screenshots. Now, why should you use Google Photos as a backup option? You might be thinking, oh, I already have a hard drive and I keep everything in that, which is safe, it's with me. Yeah. But the thing is, I had my photos in a hard disk and one day it just failed to read. That's when I started using Google Photos. I mean, you never know, your hard disk can go fail anytime, which is not going to happen with the Google Photos. Now, another most interesting feature is Google's AI and how that works in sorting and searching these Google Photos. I mean, it's really funny to see the search results. You can just search just by typing car, and Google Photos is gonna list everything where there's a car. You can type various random things like maybe shoes, or based on a color. They have a pretty powerful facial recognition system. You can choose a friend's face, for example, and then Photos is gonna find every photo which is uploaded with that person's face. And that is super useful. And they occasionally cheer you up with small collages, simple animations, etc. like that from the photos you have already uploaded. And there is also the concern of privacy, since you're uploading everything to your Google Cloud service. But it should be as good as using a email service from Google, which is like Gmail, or as secure as Gmail. It's not foolproof, but this is what we can work with. So to conclude, if you have a lot to back up, this is a much better option. And this is the last week when you can upload it. Anything you upload before 1st of June will not be counted against your storage, and you can upload an unlimited number of photos and videos in high quality storage option. So June 1st is the date. Try to do it before that. And that's all about today. Hope this has been useful. See you in another one. Bye bye.